In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload documents without logging in, using a simple built-in feature inside Xero that lets you send files directly to your account by email. This is perfect if you're on the go, if a supplier emails you a receipt, or if you want to forward documents straight into Xero without having to manually sign in every single time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find your unique Xero email address, how to send files to it, and where those documents appear so you can attach them to bills later. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account just once to access your files area. After this setup, you won't need to log in again to upload documents. Once you're inside your Xero dashboard, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a file icon labeled Files. Go ahead and click on that Files icon. This will open your Xero Files inbox, which is where all uploaded and emailed documents are stored. At the top of this page, you'll see a unique email address generated specifically for your Xero organization. This email address is the key to uploading documents without logging in. Each Xero organization has its own unique email address, so make sure you copy the correct one shown on your screen. Highlight the email address and copy it. You can paste it into your contacts list and save it with a name like Xero Upload or Xero Bills so you can quickly find it later. Now here's where the magic happens. Anytime you receive a PDF invoice, a receipt photo, or any supported document file, you can simply forward that email directly to your unique Xero email address. You don't need to open Xero, you don't need to log in. Just forward the message with the attachment to that saved email address. You can also create a brand new email. Attach a PDF or a photo from your phone or computer and send it directly to that Xero address. As long as the file is attached, Xero will automatically receive it. Once the email is sent, Xero processes the attachment and uploads the file straight into your Files inbox. The next time you log into Xero, click on the Files icon again, and you'll see the uploaded document sitting in your inbox. From there, you can open the file, review it, and attach it to a draft bill, expense claim, or transaction whenever you're ready. This makes it incredibly efficient for bookkeeping because you can send documents in real time without interrupting your workflow. For example, if a supplier emails you an invoice, you can immediately forward it to Xero and keep your records organized without even opening the platform. It's also extremely helpful for business owners who are frequently on their phones. Just snap a photo of a receipt, attach it to an email, send it to your Xero upload address, and you're done. The file will be waiting for you in your Files inbox the next time you log in. One important tip, make sure the attachment is actually included in the email before sending. Xero uploads the attached file, not just the email text. Also, keep your unique Xero email address private, since anyone with that address could technically send files into your organization's inbox. And that's it. That's how you upload documents without logging in by using Xero's unique Files email address feature. It's simple, fast, and a huge time saver once you start using it regularly. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.